Now, once that glue was completely dry, then I started forming the plastic. Now, this was a flat piece of plastic. I had to cut it, each piece here and here and here and here and here and here. Then I had to crease the plastic around this area. By creasing the plastic around this area, it let me fold the edges over. Then I folded the edges over and I glued the outside ring in place. Then I started putting these pieces on and these pieces on. This was probably the most difficult part of building the TIE fighters. That's good, sweetheart. We're almost done with the show. Okay, you guys. Anyway. What? A good name for a bat? Lucille. Wow. Wow. I don't even know what that is. A very big word for bat? Oh, wow. Okay. You guys, you might like micro machines. Okay? If you do like making micro machines, you can make anything you want. Doesn't matter what it is once you learn how to do this. Joy, what I was just holding was a TIE, a wingman, a TIE bomber, or no, not a TIE bomber. It was a TIE fighter from Star Wars. They didn't do well because usually all of them got blown up that were helping Darth Vader. Now those are Darth's wingmen, and the wingmen did not survive well. Darth's. This is a freighter. It come off the planet Hoth. It had all of the gear and the people that were escaping Hoth when the Empire tracked Luke and Han and Chewie down. And so, this was a fun build. I liked making this. It's a compound bend. It curves this way and it curves this way. And so I had to, who is?